In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize calendar in Notion. Notion doesn't offer a precise resize handle for its calendar views, but there's a simple workaround that gives you control over how wide the calendar appears. The idea is to place your calendar inside a column. Because a calendar automatically fills the space it's in, putting it inside a narrower column effectively makes it smaller, and placing it in a wider one makes it larger. You're not changing the calendar itself, you're changing the container it sits in. Here's how to do it in a clean and reliable way. Click where you want your layout to start so your cursor is ready. Type the / command for a column by entering column. From the menu that pops up, choose the column option that appears. Then press enter to insert it. You'll see a new column structure appear in your page, ready to hold content. Now, you have two choices. If you already have a calendar elsewhere on the page, simply drag that existing calendar block and drop it into the column you just created. As soon as it lands there, it will automatically scale to the width of that column. Alternatively, if you'd rather create a new calendar directly inside the column, click into the column, type calendar, choose the calendar view you want, and press enter to create it right inside that space. Either way, the calendar is now confined to the column's width. That's the entire trick. By using columns, you're controlling the calendar's visual footprint without needing an explicit resize control. If you want a smaller look, keep the column narrow. If you prefer a more spacious view, use a wider column. You can also place other blocks beside it in additional columns to balance your layout, but the calendar will always expand to fill whichever column it's in. A few quick notes to keep things smooth. This method is most predictable on desktop, where columns display side by side. On smaller screens, Notion may stack columns vertically, which can make the calendar appear full width temporarily. Also, remember that the calendar adapts to its container, so all you're doing is choosing the container that matches the visual size you want. And that's all there is to it. Type / column, move or create your calendar with / calendar, press enter to confirm, and you've effectively resized your calendar by shaping the space around it.